Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Easton Copley. He's a conservation educator with Kentucky Fish and Wildlife. Good morning, Easton.
Good morning, Kristi. How are you?
I'm doing great, and I'm excited because you are here to help me promote the Hook and Cook class that we will be doing in Warren County together. Easton, can you tell us what the Hook and Cook program is?
Very excited about this class. We did a class down there with you all last year and had a good time with it. Hook and Cook is a segment of classes. This one just happens to be three classes that we put together that we teach fishing 101. So it's kind of geared towards the basics. We hope that somebody can come in not even knowing what a fishing pole is, and by the end of it, feel confident and sufficient enough to go out on their own and not only catch a fish, but know how to clean it and cook it if that's something that they're interested in doing.
Yeah, so this class is perfect for anyone who has always had a desire to learn how to fish. Maybe they've done it once or twice, but they really just don't know anything about fishing. Easton, can kids attend the class?
They can, and you'll see on a lot of the marketing stuff that it says 16 and older. And what that is it prevents somebody from just dropping their child off. But if an adult wants to attend with the kid, then yes, we are happy to have them. And the reason for that is on the second night of the class, we're actually going to clean fish. So we can't just hand out fillet knives to everybody. But yes, if you have a child that wants to attend, we are happy to have them. They just need to be accompanied by an adult.
Awesome. Now, Easton, I know that the Warren County class will be located at the Warren County Extension Office, but where are some of the other classes located?
So this year we've done classes in Lexington, Louisville, uh, obviously in Frankfort here where our headquarters is. We did a class in Danville. We really do try to cover the whole state. And Warren County is a great place to have one. For one, because there's a lot of people there. It's a big population, but also the extension office is wonderful. And the park there at Three Springs is a great fishing opportunity.
Yes, so we are so excited. The Warren County classes are going to be 3 consecutive Mondays, October 14th, 21st, and 28th. Easton, what time are the classes? And then can you tell us how to get signed up?
Go to Fish and Wildlife's website, then Education. You'll click on Learn to Fish, and you'll see a link there for a Hook and Cook page, and that will take you straight to our website to sign up.
All right, Easton. And now, is there a fee for the class?
A good question. The class is actually free. Participants that are over 16 will have to have a valid fishing license, but we provide all the equipment. We provide the bait for the fishing experience, the sample fish to clean, and the fish that you're going to cook for. So
All right, so that fishing license is the only thing that will cost you anything. Easton, what if someone can't make all three classes?
you can maybe have something going on. You can only come to two of the three. That's fine. The third one is the fishing experience. So the only way that you can come to that is if you've been to at least one of the previous classes. So we have a lot of people that have, soccer game or something like that that night. So they can't make all three of them. But if you can make two of the three, we're happy to have you.
Okay, now are participants going to get to eat the fish?
Yes. We work with UK Extension, obviously, to make these really good recipes. They're cook wild recipes. We're going to get to try one here on the second night.
All right, Easton, we are so excited. If you are watching, we are going to be partnering to offer the Hook and Cook class. This will take place 3 consecutive Mondays in October, Monday, October 14th, 21st, and 28th. The classes will be from 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock. You can sign up by visiting fw.ky.gov, and from there you can click Learn to Fish, or you can email Easton. Easton, what is a good email address?
Easton, Easton .Copley, Copley, at ky.gov.
Thanks for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.